Mga ka-V-Fresh, today po isipapakita ko po sa inyo kung paano po maglagay ng thumbnail sa ating short videos. Okay, so yung una po, mag-upload po tayo ng short video natin. Ayan. So, ito po yung sa akin. Ito, ayan. Upload po muna natin, guys. Okay, so before that, syempre, maglagay muna tayo ng ating title. Okay? So, create title. Here's how to cook long beans with beef. Yan siya. Then, hashtag shorts or YouTube shorts. Yan. And then sa description, I will put hashtag again, cooking or cooking, cook. Next is hashtag how to cook. Okay. So next is hashtag ulit, shorts. And then show YouTube shorts. And then of course guys, I will put or add something also ng mga playlist about cooking. So yan. So this is optional only. So after that guys is before ako mag-i-click yung upload, nakita yung plus sign na mayroong picture, so click nyo po yan. Kasi yan po yung maglagay na tayo ng thumbnail. Okay? So, anyway, kung hindi nyo po siya lagyan ng thumbnail, guys, hindi po siya kahit na mag-edit tayo dun sa ating YouTube studio. So, no. Much better ilagay nyo na yung thumbnail bago nyo siya i-upload. Okay? So, yun po yung magka-difference ng long length video. Next, I will add also my playlist. Okay, after that, uploading videos. So, let's wait. So, ayan, my upload complete na siya. So, let's check my thumbnail. Let's go to my channel. And then to my playlist. So, yan. Yan na po yung aking thumbnail, guys. Okay. Yan na po. So, maraming salamat. This is again, Veronica G.Vlog. Thank you for watching. Ingat po tayong lahat. Bye.